Hey everybody, welcome back to EZCoin. Today we're going to go over the EZCoin web wallet. This web wallet will be really important for you whenever you need an EZCoin wallet address. So let's jump right into it. Navigate over to myezcoinwallet.com. When you get there to the home page, you'll want to go over to the upper right hand corner and click sign up. Once you get here, you want to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and create a secure password and click sign up. Now once you click sign up, it's going to send you an email and you need to click on the link inside of this email so that you can verify your email address, and that will give you the ability to log in. So once you have verified your email address, you'll be able to go back to the login page, and then you can log in from there and access your EZCoin wallet dashboard. Now, once you've reached the dashboard, we're going to need to create a wallet address. This address will be so that you can receive coins, and you can also send coins from this address once you have them. Assuming you just started, you probably have no EZCoin right now, so it would be helpful to be able to receive them. Click on My Wallet. From there, you'll look down here and you'll see Add Wallet. So we will add a wallet name, and you can name it pretty much anything you want. I'm just going to put mine and click Add. Alright, there we go. So you have an EZCoin wallet address. Now if you look here, you'll see deposit, withdraw, activity, and make your primary. So since you only have one address right now, let's just click on deposit. Now there is your EZCoin wallet address. That is what you need to give to people so that they can send you coins to this address. So you would simply just copy this and usually just paste that into wherever you need your EZCoin wallet address. So I hope that helps a lot of people out. That's all you need to do to be able to get your EZCoin wallet address on the myezcoinwallet.com website. So head on over there, sign up, get yourself a wallet address, and get those EZCoin. Till next time, we'll see you later.